All right. Hat on, 2 jackets, nice thick wool sweater. What month is it, you ask? Oh, well, it's the middle of March, March 15th. March in Minnesota. March in Minnesota means blizzard. So, heading on out. Side. It's all the white stuff. Here we go. Looks like the boys were hard at it. Their job, at least on the van. The SUV is a different story. I'm going through about 6 inches or more, maybe right about 6 inches of fresh powder. And really want to get a quick pass down the chickens are out. Really would like to get a quick pass down the driveway, 1,300-foot driveway here, before nightfall, just in case we get more accumulation. We want to get this out of the way and do our best to avoid drifts in the night that become impassable for everybody. But it's gorgeous. Just last night, we had a bunch of friends over and had a roaring bonfire right here. Where all the tables, where all the chairs are. Oh, the mist coming off, the snow mist coming off the barn is pretty beautiful. So we're gonna go check the, that's a nice shot. Let's take that photo. There we go. We're gonna go check and hopefully oh yeah, it's drifting back here a bit. Hopefully the skid steer with the bucket starts right up for us. All right. All right, and it's plugged back in. That's good. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it, though. The being plugged in, is the plug plugged in? The plug is not plugged in. The machine shed isn't actually wired. So, right, let's see, get my finger on there. Right there is an outlet on the auto shop that it plugs in. So I gotta set this down here for a moment. Stay with me. Unplug that. Throw that to the side. And let's go ahead and hop in. See what we're dealing with. Pause the video here. Don't want to shake you all over. Okay, we are in skid loader. And let's see what we got here. And music to my ears. All right, let's see what this beauty can do. All right, here we go.